Harley, show everybody your lake pond. Hey, she's scared. She almost got hit by a car today. But we saved her. This is Harley's nice little lake pond. And there's some super loud ass parrots up there. Listen to them. They're arguing with these guys. Yep. Come on, let's go to your spot. Let's go. Now this is she can go to her favorite spot over here. Come on, let's go. There she goes. Come on, let's play. Do a little nose dig. No playing. She's a little off because of the near accident today. All right, come on, let's go. Say bye, everybody.